5 seconds. Start. It has been inter alia awarded that they own land measuring 4 canals, 11 marlas out of the land which is sought to be acquired, full stop. It has been further awarded that construction in the form of quarters and other buildings for running industry had been raised by the petitioners and their father on the aforesaid land in the year 1962, full stop. They claim to be carrying on the business of making wooden packing cases under the name and style of Masses Wood Pack since 1966 on this land, full stop, averring that the successive notifications were issued by the government with the obelieu purpose of pegging down the prices and that land of other industrialists situated on the 4 sides of the property of the petitioners had been exempted from accusation. The petitioners challenged the 2 notifications, copies of which have been produced on record as Annexure P2 and P3, full stop. In the written statement filed on behalf of the respondents, it has been inter alia averred by way of preliminary objection that the petitioners have invoked the jurisdiction of this court after the expiry of more than 4 years and then the petition suffers from incoordinate delay and laches, full stop. On merits, it has been admitted that initially a notification under Section 4 was issued in the year 1973, but notification under Section 6 could not be issued due to heavy rush of work with the land acquisition collector, and thus notification under Section 4 lapsed after the expiry of 3 years of period, full stop. It has been further averted that after the issue of notification dated November 4, 1977, under Section 4 of the Act, the notification under Section 6 was issued on November 1, 1980 within a stipulated period of 3 years, and that the allegation of the petitioners that respondent number 1 took no action for taking up further proceedings for acquisition of land was wrong and has been denied, full stop. With regard to petitioners' averment that the action suffers from the vice of discrimination, it has been averred that the land which could be adjusted has been adjusted, full stop. There is no discrimination with the petitioners as alleged. It has been further averted that the land is being acquired for a public purpose and that the writ petition deserves to be dismissed, full stop. Arguments heard, full stop. The contentions raised by Mr. Jain are that the successive notifications has been issued by the government for the obligue purpose of pegging down the prices and that in fact there was no bona fide need for the acquisition of land, full stop. He has also contended that land of various industrial units on all 4 sides of the property of the petitioners has been exempted from acquisition, while a similar relief has been arbitrarily denied to the petitioners, full stop. According to the Learned Counsel, the action suffers from the vice of discrimination, full stop. It has been further contended that even the procedure prescribed in the standing orders has not been followed, and in 2 cases same notification has already been quashed by this court, full stop.